Hi, my name's Phil from SY Electronics, and today we're going to look at the Apollo 42, which is a seamless switcher and a multi-viewer with two matrixed outputs. So let's have a look. First of all, what do you get in the box when you get one of these? Let's open it up and have a look. So first of all, you get the manual, user manual, then the unit itself. Okay, that's the Apollo 42 unit itself. Then in the bottom of the box, we've got all the accessories. We've got an infrared remote control, external IR magic eye, some brackets for mounting it under the table or on a wall or wherever. Then we've got the power adapter with the different fittings for Euro and UK connections and so on, and a little Phoenix terminal block for the RS232 connection. That's great. So next we're going to have a look at the unit in a bit more detail. Right, let's have a little closer look, shall we? The Apollo 42. So first of all, on the front, we've got our push button control on the front panel. All the day-to-day functions you can control from there. And we've got two sets of LED indicators which show the signal status, the signal that's going to each of the two outputs. And we've got a power button on the front. We've got a magic eye input there. Then on the rear, we've got our captive power connection, so you can screw the power plug on. We've got an infrared input for the external infrared sensor. Our RS232 control terminals there on a Phoenix connector. Then we've got our 4 HDMI inputs, and we've got our two sets of outputs. So they're both the same. We've got HDMI out, digital optical audio out, and stereo analog audio out. So that's one channel, and the other channel we've got the same. So that's the Apollo 42. So next we're going to show it connected up. So I've got one source plugged in, so I'm going to connect our display up to the unit and then connect the other display. And at the moment we've got it set on auto switching. So we've got the source coming on input 4. So I'm going to plug 3 more sources in, and as I plug in one at a time, you'll see that it will switch to the next live input source. So the auto switching is being demonstrated on this screen, whereas we're in manual switching on that one. You go from manual to auto by holding in the input button on a long press. That goes from manual to automatic. So there we go. So I can now switch inputs, and you'll see that when it switches, it's got a seamless transition. There's no black frames in between the transition. It will switch seamlessly. So there we go. If I press the mode button, we can go into the different multi-view modes. So we're in quad view, single view with picture in picture in the corner, and then we've got dual view or side by side, and then we've got tri view. If I hold this button in, we'll change the layout, so it will go to a different tri view. So now we've got 2 smaller ones at the bottom, bigger one on the top. Do a long press again, we'll get another layout that's even bigger, even smaller on the bottom, and we'll change to our quad view and our single view. We'll do a long press there, and it will move the picture in picture to different parts of the screen. So that's quite a useful feature to have. So you can see there's quite a few different layouts in the multi-viewer. It's quite a powerful device. Do a single press and it will go to the next view, so that's tri view. Then we'll go to our quad view again. So there we go, that's the Apollo 42. Seamless 4-input switcher with 2 matrixed outputs and powerful multi-viewer, available from SY Electronics.